Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing a short tutorial on how to make a Minecraft creeper out of clay. A lot of you guys requested this in the comments on my last video, so I'll be doing that today. So yeah, so you're going to start off with a nice rectangle of clay here, guys. So this is some gross old clay I found, as you can see. You're going to want all these tools, and alright, so to get started, you're going to place your clay and you're just going to press like this. Press it down. Now it should look something like this. Okay? Now you're going to twist it like this. And then you're just going to pull it into two. Alright? This might be kind of a longer video, y'all. So if you like that kind, well then stay tuned. Alright, so now you should have three pieces here. One of these is going to be the feet. One of this is going to be the head. This is going to be the bod. So keep in mind that if you're planning on going all out with this, you're going to want some paint. I have all these paints here. So yeah, you're going to want green, dark green, blue, yellow, purple, and gold for this creeper. So to start off, we're going to roll this. So you should have a perfectly symmetrical tube here. Now this tube, of course, you're going to cut and make this into the feet. So you should fold it like this, so it should look like some kind of boppy pillow or something. This looks pretty good. Then, what I like to do is add texture to my things. So you can just do this, and that adds a nice bit of texture here. So now, what I'm going to do is use this piece now, and you're going to roll this. I then turn that and add that as the other legs. Now, of course, this is how the creeper's legs look in the game if you have not played it. Here's a picture of a creeper if you don't know what they look like. Now, pretty much what you're going to do is you should use this. This is wire. This stuff really helps in stuff like what I'm doing. So use your safety scissors, guys. You got to be careful with these. Okay. Now, pretty much what you're going to do is get a little piece of your clay. You're going to squish it down. Should look similar to this, guys. And you're just going to put that right on top of there. Like that. You can kind of already tell that this is a creeper. It should be kind of obvious because of the legs. But now we're doing the body. So you're going to roll something into a ball. Nice ball of clay here. And then you're just going to stick that right on top. Now this is, of course, the head. Yep. Alright, now what I like to do, guys, with my thing here is add a hole in the head right there. It gives some story. It makes it seem like it was like shot or something. I just like it. Like it really piques people's curiosity about it and stuff. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, is add the mouth. How I like to add the mouth when I usually do this is I do this. Now this is gonna be kind of like its mustache. So you're gonna put that on here like this. Oh my gosh, guys, my weird cat is in my room. Sorry about that. Alright, so that's going to be kind of like its mustache. And then you're going to get one of these. And you can see, guys. If you can tell, that's a little piece of clay. And that's going to be kind of its nose. Alright. So, of course, now you could show this to anyone even if they haven't played the game or seen anything about it, and they would still know that it is a creeper. Now what we're going to do is, what I usually do is add this is a little bit too long, but you guys get the idea. What I'm going to do is add the eyebrow. Alright, now guys, this is almost done. Hopefully you guys are following along. Everything you need is in the description. Alright, now you're going to make 2 little balls like this and put them at the eyes. Alright guys, this is looking really good. You're going to get your tool here, and you're going to put holes in the head, right where the eyes are, to really make it. Alright, now this is looking very good, guys, if yours looks like mine. Now what we're going to do with this last bit is we're going to add, we're going to twist it like this. And if it's twisted like this, it looks a lot like a horn. I'd say like a unicorn horn. And you're going to add that onto its head. Now remember that wire I was talking about, guys? This is where you're going to need that. Now you stick this into the back of its head. Then you put this up against that to hold it on. There you go, guys. What you can also do, if you don't like this top part, you can cut that off. Now, there's only a little bit more things we have to do, guys. This is almost complete. So we got this last piece here. You're going to cut that piece into 3 pieces. With these 3 pieces, guys, you're going to add them as the toes on the feet. Because if you have ever seen the creeper in the game, they have these toes. Here's a picture of a creeper. Okay. And its toes. See its toes? Alright, so now with this last piece, here we go. Now these are going to be the toes, of course, on the other foot. That's 2. Now with this last one, I like to get a little silly. Now with this one, I like making it longer and adding it right there. Alright. Now with this last piece, this is something I like to do. This is optional, of course. It's probably the only thing that's optional about this. I like to do on this is add a little smile on it, because it really just gives some character. I also like to do that on that part. Alright, now, this is just something that's, of course, optional. I like to stick this on top. Alright, guys. I'm sorry about my weird creepos that are in the room with me. They're just around. And now, to really make this look a little bit better, I'm going to get some more, some wire here. Of course, be careful when you're cutting this stuff. Alright, now that won't cut, so we're giving up on that. But of course, we're going to use this last bit of clay. And you know what we're doing with this. Now you're going to stretch it out like this. Stretch it out like this way. Then we're just going to drape that over him as his scarf. Or his hair. I like to think of it as either one. And our character is about complete. Yeah, this is about done. Now we're going to bake him. If you guys don't have a baker, you can put it in the dryer. That usually works on a high temperature. Alright, guys. And we'll see you after this is baked. Alright, guys. Our thing is baked now. And we will now paint it. So, of course, if you're painting, you have to be careful. Because you're painting and you don't want paint getting on your table. So what I like to do when I'm painting is I like to just put a tissue under it. Just a tissue will work. You just don't want that getting on your table. Alright. So now this is baked and ready to paint. We're going to get some, my favorite brand is Craft Smart acrylic paint. This is in the description, guys, if you want that. This is neon green color, because of course creepers are that neon green. Now we're going to open this, and we're going to get to painting this. Our sculpture here, guys. If this is your first time making a sculpture, thank you so much for watching my tutorial to do it. I really do appreciate that. Please leave your comment down there if you're making this, and maybe share your photo with me on Twitter. I'd love to see it. Let me just open this with my teeth. Alright, guys, now this is of course open now, so what I like to do is shake it first, because it sometimes comes with that water in there, as you can see. What I like to do is just put it right there, and then guys, when the paint is on it, I'd like to cut here. And that's of course the paint. That should dry good. You gotta leave it out for 3 hours, and then that'll be dry. So yeah. If you guys liked this tutorial, please leave a like and drop a comment down there, and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'd love that a lot. If you want to support the channel, then you can subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you guys are new here, please subscribe. And that's about it. So yeah. Thank you guys, and please subscribe and like the video and comment. I'd love to hear your comments. I love comments, guys. I read every single one of them. And I'll heart your comment if I read it, and then you'll know that I read it, because I'll heart it. Alright guys, if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, thank you so much for following this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, goodbye guys.